Welcome to the ultimate forestry showdown, featuring the biggest, fastest, and most powerful logging machines like the Scania R770 and Woody WH601. Who will come out on top in this battle for supremacy? Let's find out. Look at these pros in action. Their precision and teamwork make sure every operation goes smoothly. Logging isn't just about brute force. It requires skill, safety, and respect for nature. And these guys have mastered it. Meet the Woody WH601 head, a true beast. This machine is redefining logging efficiency, proving that Chinese excavators can hold their own. Its full protection package and fire extinguisher add durability and safety to every operation. That's a hefty stump, but no problem for these machines. Stump removal is key for forest health, and instead of burning, mulching back into the soil is a sustainable practice that benefits long-term forest growth. This is sustainable logging. Here's the Savannah 1720 stump puller, a true powerhouse. Paired with a rotary rake, it can clear 20 to 40 acres a day. That's insane efficiency for land clearing. This machine is shaping the future of land management. The Scania R770 is a 770 horsepower giant built for rough terrain. These drivers are top-notch pros, handling this beast like it's child's play. This isn't just about driving, it's about mastery and precision in forestry logistics. The Woodcracker W1000 is built for the toughest wood-splitting jobs. Its hard-ox steel construction means more power, less friction, and unmatched durability. It's user-friendly and designed for maximum efficiency in the field. The THL MS881 is the ultimate chainsaw for heavy-duty jobs. With 87 horsepower, this machine slices through massive logs effortlessly. Known for its durability and power, it's a must-have tool in modern logging operations. Step back in time with horse logging, a tradition still alive today in Montana. This method is a throwback to simpler times, where people relied on horses to move timber. It's a sustainable practice that keeps us connected to our past. The Atera stump planer makes removing deep-rooted stumps easier than ever. With its 3 hardened steel cutters and auger extensions, it annihilates stumps with ease, making even the toughest jobs look effortless. Meet the Pelato PTH1200/1000M wood chipper, powered by a 796 horsepower Volvo engine. It's efficient, powerful, and saves fuel by focusing all power on the chipping drum. This is how you turn wood waste into a non-issue. Woodworking is an art, and with CNC technology, these pros create perfection. Precision meets creativity as they turn raw logs into breathtaking works of art. This is woodworking at its finest, blending the old and new. The Magnum LT linear carriage one is a powerhouse in the wood processing world. Used in factories, it cuts massive logs with remarkable speed and precision, perfect for high-capacity operations. From the Scania R770 to the Woody WH601, we've seen the best in power, precision, and teamwork. Logging is more than muscle. It's about respect for nature and skill. If today's showdown impressed you, drop a 1 in the comments and hit subscribe for more epic forestry action.